I've been seeing some beautiful work using rice paper. I was inspired to experiment for myself. There's something exciting and slightly scary about trying a new surface because you just don't know how it will react. Drawing with charcoal. I started by sketching loosely with charcoal. I'm trying not to overthink it. Easier said than done sometimes. The goal here wasn't perfection, but getting an idea down on paper. Because charcoal likes to wander off and become someone else's business, I use fixative before adding color, hopefully keeping order before the watercolor chaos begins. And here comes the exciting part, the liquid watercolor. Look at these colors. They are so bright and potent. I wasn't prepared for how intense they would be on rice paper. This is where I stopped trying to control everything and simply watch what happened. One of my favorite things about art is those moments when the materials surprise you. The rice paper behaves differently than watercolor paper, softer in some areas, unpredictable in others. I'm learning as I go, and honestly, that's part of the fun. If you've been afraid to try a new medium or surface, maybe this is your reminder. We don't need to be experts before experimenting. Sometimes creativity grows from simply being willing to play. I'm starting to see the piece come together now. Those bright colors are creating effects I never could have planned. I think every new material teaches us something, not just about art, but about letting go of expectations. I'm really happy I tried this. Rice paper and liquid watercolor may have opened a whole new direction for me. Let me know, have you experimented with rice paper before? And what medium surprised you most? If you enjoyed watching artistic experiments, portraits, and mixed media adventures, don't forget to subscribe and join me on the next one.